Well, today is a huge day for Britney Spears. She's going before a judge to try and end her father controlling her business affairs.
And it will happen in an LA courtroom, but Spears will be appearing remotely. In advance of today's proceedings, the New York Times uncovered court documents from the case. Here's some of what was revealed. Her father restricted everything from whom she dated to the color of her kitchen cabinets. And they say was obsessed with her and wanted to control everything about her. And that any mistakes in her spending resulted in very harsh consequences, and that her conservator's hip comes with a lot of fear, and she was very angry about how her life was being run.
And this morning, we are lucky to have with us attorney Christopher Melcher from Walzer Melcher. He's joining us to discuss what else was revealed yesterday and to preview today's proceedings. Christopher, thank you very much for joining us. We appreciate it, and good to see you.
Morning.
Thanks for having me.
Now, Christopher, to be clear, you are not representing anyone in this case. In the court records released by the New York Times, it appears that she wants control of her own life back. Now, representatives for her father, Jamie Spears, are quoted as saying anytime Britney wants to end her conservatorship, she can ask her lawyer to file a petition to terminate it. She's always had this right, but in 13 years has never exercised it. That's his words. Is that truly the case?
Well, it is right now, Suzanne, true that no request has been made by Britney to end the conservatorship, but she is asking for her father to be removed from the role of conservator. I do believe that the end of this might be coming near because she is speaking out now, and there doesn't seem to be a great reason for the conservatorship based on the information we know publicly.
All right, Christopher, let's talk about this. There has been a change in judges presiding over the case. The previous judge seemed to side against Britney at all terms, but the new judge seems to be more available to Britney's claims that she can manage her own affairs. Do you think this could help Britney's case today?
I don't know that the change in judge makes a difference, but certainly the time does. There was earlier on when this conservatorship started, we saw Britney in crisis, that she was being hounded by paparazzi and needed help. But now, all these years later, we don't know publicly why she would need this level of protection. This is an extraordinary remedy to have somebody placed in charge of an adult's life. So the judge will listen to her if she wants it ended.
And I guess the final question for you, how do you think this case will play out in court?
I'm hoping that the court will close the proceedings when Britney testifies, because this is super personal for her. There's mental health issues that I'm sure are involved, and to give her that privacy to be able to express herself without it being in a public proceeding, I'm hoping that it will be closed.
And that's what it's about, you know, also having your privacy, and you're right, mental health is so important. Christopher, I want to thank you for being with us this morning, and also to let you know that we are jealous. We told you that we're jealous of your lighting. The studio, whoever is doing your lighting, send them over to us, please. You look good. Thank you.
Thank you.